This care village in Shangton provided service to 53 people in these houses with learning and moderate health disabilities. The place itself officially opened in 1973, but closed in 2013.
Fuck this guy. Fuck him. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see this. Obviously, from the outside in, there's a wheelchair there. Okay, so you can tell this is like a care home maybe for children. It's empty. It's completely empty in it. No. This is where obviously all like the, I guess, office care home stuff was. Oh god, look at all these nails, man. Who just leaves nails? That's like a whole fucking barrel full of them. That looks like a boiler room door or something.
Probably used to have their little hospital.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good point actually, Josh. Yeah. Someone would have owned a pet. Blank room with just its door, and there's a little Wi-Fi box just chilling here. Weird. Sink, wardrobe. This is where someone will keep all their stuff. Ash Grove. A lot of these houses have names and stuff. This guy's doing work here and stuff. He's left to steal stuff. It says "Be merry, Merry Christmas." Got some old telephone stuff here. There we go.
It's actually a paper shredder.
Is it actually?
Yeah, look inside it. Oh, so that is a
Jesus Christ!
That's a paper shredder.
That's more than a paper shredder, that's a fucking weapon. Okay, this building has a second floor. Like, who the hell is paying for electricity here? This is incredible. Incredible. That is insane. Dude, I don't feel safe on this. It's even got lights up there, dude. Well guys, I have to say, we're in a very safe area by the looks of it. And then there's a first aid box, but obviously nothing in it. But this is fucking creepy. There is a... Oh, dude, it's seriously... Watch this. Dude, like seriously, dude, like... As you guys can hear, there's an alarm. There you go.